race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Kereta.Thomas. Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Nia. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go! You've taken the lead. You're in the lead. Whip! Tap the special boost button. You're in the lead. Brilliant! Whip! Tap the special boost button. Winner! Spectacular jump! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Streamline Thomas. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go! I'm sure you'll do better next time. You could also go back, use another engine.